Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share today's videos. It's all about my bird, the cutest bird on earth, my birdie. Their name is Jack and Rose, Titanic lovers. They love each other, especially Rose. Rose said, Jack, come back. Jack, come back, Jack. Jack said, Rose, I'm here with you, Rose, I love you, Rose. Jack, come back. Yeah, Rose is always looking for Jack. Okay, guys, watch my video. Watch all the videos of Jack and Rose, the cutest bird on earth. Okay, guys, let's watch the video. The cute bird on earth. Yes, you are. This is Jack. Hi, Jack. How are you doing, Jack? Jack, look at me, Jack. Hello, Jack. And this is Rose. Where are you, Rose? Rose, are you eating? You always digging your cooties, Jack. Hi, Rose. It's cute, Rose. Yes, you are. Cutest Rose. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're the cutest bird on earth. You eat your food? Rose. Jack, digging cookies. Jack. What are you digging, Jack? Did you get a lot of cookies? Cute, handsome, very handsome. Handsome bird. What about you, Rose? Did you dig in your cooties, Rose? Digging your cooties. If you are. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You talking about you making a baby? Huh? Yes, you see Rose, yes? Oh, you're talking about making lots of babies. Yes, you are. Cute bird. Cute bird. Oh, they love each other. They love each other. Give me a kiss, Jack. Oh, you see Rose, Rose. I'm gonna give you a kiss, Rose. Kiss, kiss. Rose, you're so cute, Rose. Jack and Rose. Romeo and Juliet. Yes, you are Romeo and Juliet. Hey, Rose. Rose. Oh, this is Rose. This is Jack. Yes, you are. Yes. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Jack and Rose, the Budgie bird, the lovely birds, the pretty bird, the cutest bird on earth. Yes, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching all the videos of my cute, lovely birds. Cute, pretty bit. My Jack and Rose, the Titanic lovers. Bye-bye. See you next time.